Stop paying monthly subscriptions for AI video generators right now. Everyone is dropping hard cash to access the brand new Grok Imagine 1.5 video model. But today, I'm showing you exactly how to tap into this industrial-grade video engine completely free, inside a professional creator dashboard with zero gatekeeping. Look at the fluid camera movement and immaculate lighting on your screen. You can output this exact level of premium 15-second cinematic footage without ever opening your wallet. No tricks, no complex tech setup, just a direct professional creator workflow that unlocks the most powerful video engine on the market. Let's get into it. The production platform we're using to access the Grok 1.5 engine is called Oe AI. Head to the site and log in directly using your standard Google or Gmail account. The moment you clear the initial onboarding dashboard, look at the top right corner. The system automatically injects 200 free generation credits straight into your balance. But 200 isn't optimal for our workflow. Hover over your profile icon and click the daily free bonus button. That instantly drops an extra 60 credits into your pool, bringing your starting balance to a healthy 260 credits for this session. To get flawless cinematic output from Grok Imagine 1.5, you cannot solely rely on standard text-to-video. To prevent distortion, Grok's video engine requires a structurally perfect base image to establish spatial geometry and lighting boundaries first. On the left sidebar, click New Project to open the Creative Studio. Click the model selector at the bottom of the screen. Navigate to the Image tab and select GPT Image 2 or Nano Banana Pro. This is a top-tier rendering agent, and it costs a microscopic 11 credits to run. Lock your aspect ratio to 16:9 for standard cinematic widescreen and set the resolution to 2K. In the prompt box, we need a complex scene to establish high-fidelity depth. I'm going to enter this exact prompt. Within seconds, you have a flawless high-fidelity anchor image. Right-click and save it to your local drive. Now let's bring it to life. Clear your current text prompt, click the model selector again, switch to the video tab and select Grok Imagine 1.5. Click the advanced parameters icon, the two slider lines right next to the generate button, and then drag it to the absolute maximum, 15 seconds. You'll see the credit cost adjust to exactly 180 credits, which your stacked daily bonus easily covers. So click the upload block on the left of your text box and drop your newly saved base image. Here's where most people get it wrong and why your output will look completely different. Grok 1.5 is a physics-based engine. It requires precise directional camera instructions to maintain visual stability. Enter the exact motion prop and then hit generate and watch the engine work. When the render finishes, a pop-up will appear. Close it, your video is already waiting behind it. Hit play, the camera drift is buttery smooth, and the structural integrity holds flawlessly for the entire 15 seconds. Right-click directly on the video player and hit download video to save the raw MP4 file straight to your hard drive. Now, how do you keep this pipeline running infinitely? To keep the cycle alive, a simple identity refresh resets the meter. Platform's flexible gateway makes this instantaneous, either through secondary mail or temp mails, giving you unlimited run rate to scale as needed. So if this just changed how you create, drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.